I am sitting in a 2008 Highlander Prox vehicle. We have no Prox keys at all. We have one reset OEM fob. It's the correct circuitry. So we need to do an immobiliser race and program key. Let's go to Highlander. 8. Let's go down to the LE and see if that has the Prox. Sure does. Okay, so Highlander LE, Smart Key 1. It's off, obviously. Let's see how many keys are in here. 2. We're just going to do 1. So let's do service functions. Reset immobiliser. Yes. Come back to 16. Make sure the door's open. Set the latch on the door so it can't shut. Alright, we'll be back in 16. Set the door latch there. So when you shut the door, you can't shut all the way. We'll be back.